Hey everyone! Welcome to English Talking Habits with Lisa and Mike. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mike. We're here to help you speak English naturally and confidently.
Before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We bring you fresh English lessons every week.
Yeah, and if you find this helpful, please share it with your friends who are learning English too. It really helps us reach more people and motivate us to create more content like this.
Also, hit that like button if you enjoy the video. It tells us you want more lessons like this one.
All right, let's get started.
Today, we're diving into something super practical, daily routines. You know, the things you do every single day.
Yeah, and this is honestly one of the most useful topics for English learners because you'll talk about routines all the time, at work, with friends, even in job interviews.
Exactly. So, Mike, let me ask you, what time did you wake up this morning?
Oh, way too early. I woke up at 5:30 because my neighbor's dog started barking.
5:30? That's brutal. I usually wake up around 7, but today my alarm didn't go off, so I actually overslept until 8.
Wait, you overslept? Did you panic?
A little bit. I jumped out of bed, rushed to the bathroom, and then I realized, oh wait, it's Saturday. I don't have anywhere to be.
Huh, that's the worst feeling, or actually the best feeling, when you realize you can go back to sleep.
See, we just used so many routine expressions without even thinking about it. Wake up, oversleep, rush. These are words English speakers use constantly.
Good point. Let's break down some of these morning routine phrases for everyone listening.
So first, there's a difference between wake up and get up. When you wake up, your eyes open, you're conscious, but you're still in bed.
Right, so I might wake up at 6, but I don't actually get up until 6:30. That means I stay in bed for half an hour, maybe checking my phone or just lying there.
Exactly. I do the same thing. I wake up, but then I hit the snooze button like 3 times before I finally get up.
Hit the snooze button. That's such a common expression. It means you press the button on your alarm to make it stop, and it gives you an extra 5 or 10 minutes of sleep.
Guilty. I'm a serial snooze button hitter. But then, when I finally drag myself out of bed, the first thing I do is stumble to the kitchen and make coffee.
Drag yourself out of bed. I love that expression. It means it's really hard to get up. You have no energy or motivation.
And stumble means you walk in a clumsy way because you're still half asleep, like your eyes are barely open and you're bumping into things.
That's me every morning. I stumble to the bathroom, splash water on my face, and then brush my teeth.
Do you shower in the morning or at night?
Morning person here. I take a shower every morning. It wakes me up. What about you?
I switch it up. Sometimes morning, sometimes evening. But I always wash my face and brush my teeth in the morning. That's non-negotiable.
Non-negotiable. Great word. It means something you absolutely must do, no exceptions.
Right. Like breakfast is non-negotiable for me. I cannot function without eating something in the morning.
Interesting. I actually skip breakfast most days. I just grab a coffee and I'm good to go.
Skip breakfast means you don't eat breakfast at all. You skip it, you pass over it.
Yeah, and grab a coffee means I quickly take a coffee, not sit down and enjoy it, just grab it fast, and maybe drink it on the way to work.
So let's talk about the getting ready process. After breakfast, what do you do?
Well, I get dressed. And this is where it gets interesting for me because I work from home. So some days I just throw on a t-shirt and sweatpants.
Throw on, that's casual English for putting on clothes quickly without thinking too much about it.
Exactly. But if I have a video meeting, I'll actually put on a nice shirt. Just the top half, though. Nobody sees the sweatpants.
The classic work-from-home outfit. I do the same thing sometimes.
What about makeup? Do you put on makeup every day?
It depends. If I'm just running errands, I might skip it. But for work or meeting friends, yeah, I put on some makeup. Usually takes me about 10 minutes.
Running errands. That means doing small tasks outside your home, like going to the grocery store, the bank, or the post office.
Right. And speaking of errands, let's talk about the rest of the daily routine. Mike, what time do you usually start work?
Since I work from home, I try to start by 9, but honestly, some days I'm checking emails from bed at 8.
That's the blessing and curse of working from home. Your work-life boundaries get blurry.
So true. What about you? You go to an office, right?
Yeah, I commute to work. I leave my apartment around 8:15, walk to the subway station, and then it's about a 30-minute commute.
Commute. That's the journey from your home to your workplace. You can commute by car, by train, by bus, whatever.
And I have to say, commuting can be exhausting, especially when the subway is packed with people during rush hour.
Rush hour. That's the time of day when everyone is traveling to work, usually between 7 and 9 in the morning, and then again between 5 and 7 in the evening.
Yeah, it's the worst. Everyone's squeezed together like sardines.
Squeezed together like sardines. What a perfect expression. It means people are pushed very close together in a tight space.
Exactly. So I usually listen to podcasts during my commute to make the time go faster.
That's smart. So you get to work around, what, 9 o'clock?
Usually 8:45. Then I settle in at my desk, check my calendar, respond to urgent emails, and plan out my day.
Settle in. That means you get comfortable in your workspace. Organize your things, get ready to start working.
Right. And then I'm usually in meetings or working on projects until lunch.
When do you take your lunch break?
Around 12:30 or 1, depends on my schedule. Sometimes I pack a lunch from home, but usually I grab something from a nearby cafe.
Pack a lunch. That means you prepare food at home and bring it with you. It's cheaper and often healthier than buying food every day.
For sure. But I'm lazy most mornings, so I end up buying lunch. What about you? When do you eat lunch?
Whenever I feel hungry, honestly. That's the nice thing about working from home. Some days it's noon, some days it's 2 p.m.
Lucky. I'm jealous of that flexibility.
Yeah, but there are downsides too. Like, I sometimes work way too late because there's no clear end to the workday.
That's tough. What time do you usually finish work?
I try to log off around 6, but it doesn't always happen. Some days I'm answering emails at 8 or 9 p.m.
Log off, that means you sign out of your computer or stop working for the day.
Right, it comes from logging out of computer systems. What time do you leave the office?
I try to leave by 5:30 so I can avoid the worst of rush hour, then another 30-minute commute home.
And what do you do in the evening after work?
It depends. If I'm tired, I just crash on the couch and watch Netflix.
Crash on the couch. I love that expression. It means you throw yourself down on the couch because you're exhausted.
Yeah, it's very casual language. But if I have energy, I might go to the gym, meet up with friends, or cook a nice dinner.
Meet up with. That's a common phrasal verb. It means to arrange to see someone and spend time together.
Exactly. Like, let's meet up for coffee, or want to meet up this weekend?
I use that all the time. So Lisa, do you cook dinner every night?
I try to cook at least a few times a week, but some nights I'm just too tired, so I order takeout.
Order takeout. That means you call a restaurant or use an app to have food delivered to your home, or you pick it up and bring it home.
Right. It's easier than cooking, but it gets expensive if you do it too often.
Totally agree. I probably order takeout 3 or 4 times a week. I should cook more.
Same here. After dinner, I usually tidy up the kitchen, maybe do some dishes.
Tidy up. That means to clean and organize things. Make everything neat.
Yeah, I can't relax if my apartment is messy, so I do a quick tidy up, maybe throw in a load of laundry.
Throw in a load of laundry. That means you put dirty clothes in the washing machine.
Exactly. Then the rest of my evening is pretty chill. I might read a book, scroll through social media, or call my mom.
Scroll through social media. That's such a modern routine. We all do it. Just mindlessly looking at Instagram or TikTok.
Way too much. I'm trying to cut down on screen time, but it's hard.
Cut down on. That means to reduce the amount of something, like cut down on sugar, cut down on spending, cut down on screen time.
Good point. What's your evening routine like, Mike?
Pretty similar. I make dinner, or more honestly, I heat up leftovers from yesterday.
Heat up leftovers. That means you reheat food you cooked before. Very practical.
Yeah, I cook big portions on Sunday and then eat them throughout the week. Saves time.
Smart. Then what?
Then I usually wind down by watching a show or playing video games.
Wind down. That means to relax and calm down, especially at the end of the day. It's like your body and mind are winding down, getting ready for sleep.
Exactly. I need that time to decompress from work.
Decompress, another great word. It means to release stress or pressure, to relax after a busy or stressful time.
Yeah, if I don't decompress, I can't fall asleep.
Speaking of sleep, what time do you usually go to bed?
I aim for 11, but it's usually closer to midnight. I'm a night owl.
A night owl. That's someone who naturally stays up late and has more energy in the evening.
Yep, that's me. I'm most productive between 8 p.m. and midnight. What about you?
I'm more of an early bird. I go to bed around 10 or 10:30 and wake up early feeling refreshed.
An early bird, the opposite of a night owl, someone who goes to bed early and wakes up early.
Right. There's even a saying, the early bird catches the worm, which means people who wake up early have an advantage.
I've heard that, but I don't believe it. Night owls catch different worms.
Ha, fair enough. Before bed, what's your routine?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, maybe take a shower if I didn't in the morning.
Do you set an alarm for the next day?
Always. I set like 3 alarms because I'm terrible at waking up.
3 alarms? That's a lot.
I know, but I need them. I also charge my phone overnight, which I know you're not supposed to do, but I do it anyway.
Same. Then I usually read for 10 or 15 minutes before I turn off the lights and go to sleep.
Turn off the lights. Such a simple phrase, but super common. It just means you switch off the lights.
Right. And then hopefully I fall asleep quickly and don't toss and turn.
Toss and turn. That means you move around a lot in bed because you can't fall asleep or can't sleep well.
Exactly. Like I tossed and turned all night because I was worried about my presentation.
That happens to me when I drink coffee too late in the day.
So we've basically covered a full day, morning, afternoon, evening, and night routines.
We really have, and we used so many natural expressions along the way.
Let's quickly recap some of the key phrases we covered today.
Good idea. For morning routines, we have wake up, get up, hit the snooze button, drag yourself out of bed, stumble to the bathroom, take a shower, brush your teeth, get dressed, throw on clothes, put on makeup, skip breakfast, grab a coffee.
For work and commuting, commute to work, rush hour, settle in, pack a lunch, grab something to eat, log off, leave the office.
For evening routines, crash on the couch, meet up with friends, order takeout, tidy up, throw in a load of laundry, scroll through social media, cut down on screen time, heat up leftovers, wind down, decompress.
And for bedtime, go to bed, set an alarm, charge your phone, turn off the lights, fall asleep, toss and turn. Plus, we learned night owl and early bird.
That's a lot of useful vocabulary, and the best part is, these are expressions native speakers use every single day.
Absolutely. Now we want to hear from you, our listeners.
Yeah, we'd love to know, what's your daily routine like? Are you a morning person or a night person?
Do you pack your lunch or buy it? Do you commute to work or work from home?
What time do you usually wake up? What time do you go to bed?
Leave your answers in the comments below. We love reading them, and it's great practice for you too.
The more you practice using these phrases, the more natural they'll become.
Exactly. Routines are a big part of small talk in English, so knowing how to describe yours will make conversations much easier.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode.
Thanks so much for watching English Flow with Lisa and Mike.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us know what kind of content you love.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss our next video.
We post new English lessons every week with real conversations and practical vocabulary you can use right away.
Also, share this video with your friends, classmates, or anyone you know who's learning English. Help them improve too.
The more support we get from you, the more videos like this we can create.
We're building a community of English learners here, and we'd love for you to be part of it.
Turn on notifications so you'll know exactly when we upload a new lesson.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Take it one step at a time. Practice every day, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are how we learn and grow.
We'll see you in the next video with more useful English lessons.
Until then, keep practicing and stay motivated.
Take care, everyone.